Click on the link below to get price. The ANCHER Electric Bike for adults stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its impressive features and robust performance. Equipped with a powerful 750W peak motor, this bike delivers an exhilarating ride, effortlessly navigating hills and rough terrains. Whether commuting through the city or enjoying leisurely weekend rides, the power output ensures a smooth and exhilarating experience. One of the standout features is the 3-hour fast charge capability that complements the bike's impressive 50-mile range on a single charge. This is particularly beneficial for those who need a reliable mode of transportation without the hassle of frequent charging. The battery is conveniently removable, allowing for easy home charging or swapping if you have a spare. The bike's construction is sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to handle. The aluminum frame is designed for durability while providing a comfortable ride. The front suspension system absorbs shocks efficiently, enhancing overall ride quality, especially on bumpy paths. Coupled with a 21-speed transmission, riders have the flexibility to tackle various terrains with ease, adjusting to their preferred pace. Moreover, the ANCHER e-bike comes with safety features like front and rear LED lights, ensuring visibility during night rides. The 26-inch wheels are equipped with puncture-resistant tires, giving peace of mind while tackling different surfaces. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow customization for a more comfortable riding experience. However, it's worth noting that while the bike performs excellently, some users may find the assembly process a bit challenging. A detailed instruction manual is included, but those unfamiliar with bike assembly might require assistance. Overall, the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone seeking a reliable, powerful, and versatile e-bike. Its combination of speed, range, and comfort makes it suitable for both daily commutes and recreational rides, providing excellent value for the price.